You've heard this story before. A legend that never sleeps, lurking in the shadows. A beast forged in fire of engineering and madness. It rages through the night, tearing up the road with mind-bending precision. Its presence felt in every turn. Its howl echoing through the streets. Balanced, controlled, but always reaching for madness. I've seen legends rise and fall, but this one keeps coming back for more.
Look at the attitude on this truck. The front sits low and wide, the mesh grille framed by those signature LED blades, and the hood vents pulling heat out like a purpose-built muscle car. The body line runs clean.
Slide in and it feels like you drop into a cockpit instead of a pickup. Seat grabs you in just the right spots. Thick leather, red stitching, a little Super Snake script staring at you. Seating position's high.
There's an immediacy in the wheel. Just a quarter turn and the nose tucks in. Feedback's clean, not heavy, but you feel the front tires working. Roll onto the throttle and it shoves you back. The Supercharged
feels tight, right where you want it. Just a little input and the nose tucks in, no slop, no drama. Roll into the throttle and it digs in. Instant shove from the Supercharger and you feel the rear hunker down. Brake pedal's firm. Steering has real weight to it. Direct, a little heavier than the standard truck, and you feel the front tires bite as you turn in. Roll off the brake, lean into the throttle, and it just squats and goes. Acceleration is instant. The Supercharger.
It's tight but not nervous. There's weight to it. You can feel the front tires bite as the wheel loads up. Roll into the throttle and it just lunges forward. 700 plus horses come on smooth like a big wave. Brakes are strong.
Into the wheel here. Steering is quick and there's real weight to it. You feel the front tires bite and the truck just tucks in. Squeeze the throttle, Supercharger sings and it piles on speed like a muscle car. It pinches.
In the 2025 F-150 Super Snake, everything you touch is smarter and sharper. Front and center is a 15.5-inch Sync 5 touchscreen with wireless CarPlay and Android.
Slide in and you're greeted by a 12.4-inch digital cluster, fully reconfigurable and razor sharp. Center stage is our new 12-inch Sync 5 touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay.
2025 F-150 Super Snake drops more than just jaws. Up front, an adjustable coilover damper with a 750-pound spring rate sharpens response and keeps the nose planted. Out back, the leaps are gone, replaced with a true coilover.
Underneath the Super Snake, the story starts with Fox 2.5-inch coilovers tuned for rebound and compression, dropping the nose 2 inches and the tail 1.5 inches. A progressive bump stop and
Sitting under that blue cover is a 5-liter supercharged V8 pumping 775 horsepower and 710 pound-feet of torque. It feeds a close ratio 10-speed automatic that snaps off shifts with a